If you're looking to install a new home gym or a home office, I'm going to show you some of the options that our friends at Garage Style have to offer.
So we're here today to help Mike and the team at Riverside Garden Rooms transform their office space using our modular flooring. So we'll show you some of the process and hopefully they like the end product. So we've got a whole range of modular floor tiles. We've got our PVC tiles available in all different colours. But today Mike and the team have gone for our vented range in the green and dark grey, which are going to look really smart together. So we can't wait to show you the finished product. It's going to look great. That's the whole job complete. We have a range of tiles that are perfect for gyms, yoga studios and offices, so we're looking forward to doing some more work with Mike and the team at Riverside Garden Rooms.
Wow, look at that. It completely changes the whole room. That's why we've chosen to go with this modular style floor for our office here. This is something that we're going to be supplying with all of our garden rooms. So it's hard wearing, it's not going to rip, it's going to carry the weight of our equipment in here, office furniture, gym equipment, whatever you want to put into your garden room. The tiles can be customised, so you can have your logo or your name branded onto the tiles and inserted into the floor. Ours are coming at a later date, we're going to be having those in the middle. I couldn't be happier, to be honest. It's been a really fast and productive process with Garage Style. Thank you very much, lads. Look forward to doing some business.